Welcome to Wolfnest, your trusted property management company in Salt Lake City, Utah. Today, we'll be discussing essential seasonal maintenance tips for renters to keep their homes in top shape throughout the year. Living in a rental property in Utah offers freedom and responsibilities, especially concerning utilities. But fear not, understanding who handles what can keep your living situation smooth and your budget intact. First, let's prepare for winter. Check heating systems. Ensure your heating system is efficient before the cold sets in. Replace air filters regularly and consider a professional HVAC inspection to avoid unexpected breakdowns. Prevent frozen pipes. Insulate exposed pipes, let faucets drip during freezing weather, and keep cabinets under sinks open to circulate warm air around pipes. Clear snow and ice. Keep walkways, driveways, and sidewalks clear to prevent slips and falls. Stock up on snow removal tools like shovels and ice melt. Next, let's get ready for summer. Maintain outdoor spaces. Regularly mow the lawn, trim bushes and trees, and water plants. Clean and maintain outdoor furniture to prolong its lifespan. Inspect and clean gutters. Clear gutters of debris to prevent water damage during summer storms. Clogged gutters can cause water pooling around the foundation, leading to structural issues. Pest control. Seal cracks and crevices, keep food properly stored, and consider regular pest control treatments to prevent infestations. Finally, let's cover general upkeep. Regular cleaning. Maintain a clean and tidy living space. This not only improves your home's appearance but also contributes to a healthier indoor environment. Report maintenance issues promptly. If you notice any maintenance issues, report them to your property manager or landlord promptly. Addressing problems early can prevent them from escalating. Stay informed. Understand your seasonal maintenance responsibilities outlined in your lease agreement. Staying proactive helps maintain your rental home effectively. By following these seasonal maintenance tips, Utah renters can ensure their homes remain comfortable, safe, and well-maintained throughout the year. If you need assistance or have any questions about property maintenance, the team at Wolfnest Property Management is here to help. At Wolfnest Property Management, we understand the unique maintenance needs of rental properties in Utah. Contact us today for expert property management services tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more valuable insights from Wolfnest Property Management.